So I've been doing a lot of work inside my Canvas sheet and I need to collaborate with some coworkers. What's the best way to do that? Well, I can click share up at the top here and I can add someone that I want, or I can add anyone with the link. I can change them to have edit access, comment access, or just to view, which means that they won't be working with me at all. And these are the same options that I have when I personally invite someone with their email address. And so if you give someone comment access, they can click in any cell and comment using this button right here, and they can @ you, which will give you a notification, and they can assign it to you. Update this formula. Oops. Assign to you, and there you go. And you'll have a comment thread right in the spreadsheet that you can work through.